So here's a video I never wanted to make. So now that you saw that video, focus, it's too bright. You can see now what happened. The low side scraped up there was part of my bike. Crankcase, solid but scratched. Underneath got grenaded. Let's see if I can get this out of the way for you guys. Popped a hole in the bottom of the casing. What else happened up here? Oh, I think the whole front clip's broken because, like, there's the airbox, and now this whole thing shifts a lot. Like, whole front, so the subframe's probably destroyed. Oh, that side of the tank's fine. A couple scratches on the side. Slider did its job and took the brunt back here. But when it flipped there, went on this side, the exhaust actually got off a couple scratches, like, it's fine for me. Brake lever got shaved down. Oh, the shift lever did on the other side. And this side got smacked against the ground. Both sides got destroyed. If it was just the other side, oops, I missed it. The mirror corners kind of got scuffed up a little. Nothing terrible on that, but still. If it was just this side over here, just step around my bike, there's just all these scratches, I'd say we're okay, but I put a hole in the bottom of the engine, which is why the drip tray's down there, because it just keeps leaking oil. And from the photo, you'll see I lost all the oil. And this used to be solid right here. Oh my lord. So yeah, one stupid mistake. I'm fine. My gear's a little messed up. I was wearing full leathers because I don't know why. I had like a feeling. I was like, oh, I should wear leathers today. They're safer. So I wore full leathers, but then this happened. But I'm fine. Just my ego's bruised to hell, of course. Look at that. Oh my god. But working with insurance, I don't even know if I should post this. If there's anything insurance will say, but I'll post a video of everything. Yeah, no, I'm a little whiplash. I mean, that's the worst that happened to me is whiplash and my ego. So, I mean, this side of the tank looks just fine. So, I'm pretty sure the curse of this is going to be over soon. It's the third time something's happened to this bike, and the first time I was responsible for any of it. Sorry, bike, I didn't mean to. And these were brand new from last year after the first incident. Oh, I got my mirrors, or my turn signals too. Yeah. Alright, everybody, I'm going to deal with insurance. Talk to everybody later. Alright, they're safer than I did.